Hi, my name's Guy White. I'm a child custody consultant and author of Child Custody A to Z, Winning with Evidence. What I want to talk about today is custody evaluations. So I'm going to read a little bit here, so forgive me for that. But when you do a custody evaluation, the therapist is looking for personality disorders, and they're trying to diagnose it with their test. The most common test is the Minnesota Multiphasic Personality Inventory 2. And it gets updated over the years. If you're going to hang your children's future on a test, you might want to gather some evidence, because you're going to put your children's future in the hands of a therapist. The problem with that is you don't want them to ignore the evidence. Now, when you go and take one of these evaluations, they have a thing called collateral contacts, where you'll fill out a form and you're going to write down people that have watched you parent before and watch you interact with your children. But they're not asking for collateral evidence. Collateral evidence is everything other than collateral contacts. Collateral evidence is driving records, evictions, medical records, school records, all kinds of things. But they're not going to go out and get that. Once in a while they'll send somebody by the house to look at your house and see if there's a fence around the pool or something like that, or food in the cupboard. But they're not looking for evidence. You have to provide that, and that's what I do for my clients. I put this package together of evidence, and so what we do then with that evidence is we give it to the court-appointed evaluator, because now they have to look at that evidence, and if they ignore it, then they have a bigger problem. So if you're going to depend on the psychological test, which most attorneys do to determine the outcome of your case, I think that's a false promise. What you have to do is prepare your case ahead of time and put that evidence in front of that therapist who's judge and jury in your child custody case. And if you don't do that, you're not going to get the desired outcome. My name is Guy White. I'm the child custody guy. Thank you for joining us.